actually. My YouTube channel name. So today I'm going to showing you how you can make your own hair. Even you don't need to go on the salon. So you have to make it when you don't have a time or money. You can save that money on in the future for the future. So I'm going to make it even if I don't remember, because I used to do for myself, but now I don't know if I remember to do it. So I'm going to cut the lines. The hard things is to cut the lines, the good lines. So I'm going to make it. I'll show you how I do it. So even here I don't have many things to use. I used to have the small comb that can help you to cut the lines. I used to have many oils, but today I have this one, so I'll use what I have today, and we will see if it can help. You will tell me. So I'm going to make in Kiswahili they call it matuta. In English maybe it's a twist. So anyone who knows can explain how they call it in English. So I will show you. I'm going to cut the lines. That's what I do with. Now I'm using my hands. So let's see, it will be nice. Maybe someone who holding the camera will tell us if it's a good line. It's not that simple, but you can make it. If hard, but sometimes hard is good. You will run the hard thing. So I don't know. I'm still searching the line. What if? Up here is good. So we can continue to this side to make a good line. We will see. Sometimes to comb natural hair is not easy. It's not helping because you pain every time you comb it. So now I'm going to make a solution of this simple solution. So what about now? Is it a good? Or like
from here to here? There is no line.
There is no line?
Yeah.
I didn't cut any line.
Yeah.
Don't tell me.
I say line is from here to here.
Oh.
You need to get here like that.
Okay. Oh my god. So, guys, to cut line for myself was not that easy. So I have someone here who is helping me, Eileen. You can introduce yourself to my channel. Eileen.
Irene.
Yes.
It's all?
Oh.
It's on.
Hi, beautiful people. I'm called Irene Soita. I'm a YouTuber, so I've come here to help Sherry to cut the lines from behind. But she's perfect. She's gonna do the hair by herself as I watch. But I had great plan for this hair, but it's okay when she unplait it. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, nothing is easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can struggle and struggle, but we make it.
But she has a very, very lovely hair. I've got a lot of proteins. I need to do something to play with this a little bit.
I didn't even put so much things in my hair. Now I'm using castor oil. Castor oil is good for natural hair.
Yeah.
So I can give you advice to use them.
Castor oil.
Castor oil. It is strange.
Yeah.
Alikukonya mtoto? Hey, nakuzinya bure.
Wanna twist?
Twist.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how to twist.
You don't know?
No.
Oh.
For how long do you plan to stay with the twist?
It's like how long are you? Like a
2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
You braid your hair?
Sometimes I do. Not every day. Because I don't like it. It causes me pain.
I know. Well, you can just choose lines.
So, this is my first product.
Hey, it's long.
So, you can cut, look at my first product. So, you will cut another, then I make it.
I'm going to Mabera
Oh, you're going to Mabera now?
to shoot a video.
Oh,
A
now?
hair video also.
A hair?
Yeah,
Oh,
like the one I wanted to do for you.
okay. Is it not that small?
It's small?
Let me check. Because I don't want many on my hair.
You want big?
But this is enough, I think.
Okay.
Let me check. Yeah. Let me use this. The lines are a problem. Not to make twist is easy.
Yeah.
Soon I'll be a pro. I'll do all for myself. Yeah. All head for myself. To come every day is a struggle. I can't even, yeah. And I don't want to make a plate by now. I just want time. Irene is from Nyabohanse or nearby Nyabohanse or where?
Come from Bungoma.
Bungoma.
Next to the border, Malaba, border of Kenya and Uganda.
Here in Uganda.
Kenya and Uganda. It's
How
far
they
from
call
here.
it? Yeah, I know. How they call that border?
Malaba, that's Busia.
Busia.
But
Yeah.
not Busia, Malaba.
Okay. You passed through that
You came through
border.
Busia.
Yes, we came.
So
by
you came
Busia.
on a bus?
Yeah, we came by bus because we first we went in Uganda.
Okay.
We had an appointment there with the YouTubers in Uganda. So
The bus is comfortable?
yeah, from Rwanda to Kampala was good. From there Busia to here,
Okay.
I don't want to say that it was bad. Maybe because it was for first time.
I know those long distance buses. I know that.
Even it was matatu. It wasn't a big buses. They write to us. We have a bus. We have a big bus, so you can book tomorrow morning. You can go. What they did, it wasn't fair.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Yeah. It will be long for 2 weeks. I will be able to make a bread sitting. So how many children do you have? You said before you have a daughter
Yeah.
who knows everything.
Yeah.
And I want to know how to cook a chapat. Please, how to make a chapat? I don't know.
I'll come to.
Yeah.
I'll talk about.
Yeah, please.
I'll come to teach you.
Yeah, sure. It's the only thing that I don't know to do. So how many children you have?
I have one daughter.
One
She's 12.
daughter.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. How does she? How old is she?
12 years old.
12. She's mature. She's still young, but she's mature now.
She knows,
Yeah, she knows
She
everything.
lives with her grandmother. So
Ah, that's why she knows everything. To cook, to make her hair.
yeah.
How is it, honey?
Good.
So far, how is it? I become a pro. I become someone who will help others.
I don't think so.
Am I bad?
No.
This is a passion also.
Yeah,
Need it,
I know.
and you need the take time to.
Mine, just to remove it is a problem. That's why you see it's like this. So I just have to go and pay 50 bob.
To
Get it
remove them.
removed.
A 50 bob, they can twist it.
Not twist. To remove that
Mine.
he has. Okay. You finish first that, and I do it.
I don't know how to twist.
Me, I
just-
know, and even I'm faster.
I just know how to put rasters. So you're gonna twist that one.
Yeah, it's okay. I do it. The lines are the problem for me, but to twist, easy. Yeah. Guys, I already finished I almost done with twist. It wasn't easy. I had some help, and the one who helped me, she left, and I struggled, but now see the result. So if you're at home and you want to make this, yeah, you have to watch a video and then learn how to do it. So maybe next time I do the best more than this. Thank you guys. I will give you more videos about me, about cooking, about traveling, about eating, about making making twist my life. Okay, see you guys. God bless you. Bye. Ciao.